Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel on your laptop. We'll cover the main ways to acquire this powerful spreadsheet software, whether through a subscription, a one-time purchase, or even free options. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which method best suits your needs and how to get started with Excel on your device. We will explore 3 primary approaches to ensure you can access this essential tool. The most common way to get Excel is through a Microsoft 365 subscription. This service provides access to Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and other apps, along with 1 terabyte of cloud storage. You'll always have the latest versions and security updates. Subscriptions are available monthly or annually, offering flexibility for individuals, families, or businesses. Simply choose a plan, download the installer, and follow the on-screen instructions to get Excel up and running. For those who prefer a single purchase without recurring fees, a one-time purchase of Office Home and Business is an excellent choice. This package usually includes Excel, Word, and Outlook, providing essential tools for productivity. You buy it once and own that specific version indefinitely, licensed for 1 computer. While it doesn't include future version upgrades, it's a solid option if you don't need the latest features annually. If you only need basic spreadsheet capabilities, Excel for the web is a fantastic free option. You can access it through any web browser with a Microsoft account, offering core features for creating and editing spreadsheets. While it has fewer advanced tools than the desktop version, it's perfect for quick tasks and collaboration. Additionally, free mobile apps for iOS and Android allow you to work on your spreadsheets from virtually anywhere.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.